The Alamo City is known for cherishing its past, but there's a new product that's giving its residents a brighter future. CBD. But why use CBD in San Antonio? As many great things as we have going on in the city, we still suffer from the daily stresses of life. Who doesn't feel anxiety or even restless nights? When was the last time you got out of bed pain-free? Just about everyone has something they'd like to improve with their health. At Verloda, we don't want you to think about fixing particular problems. We want you to reimagine what it means to be healthy. To help you along your way, our products focus on your sleep, daily balance, energy, stress levels, and immunity. But where can you buy CBD in San Antonio? Verloda has you covered. Order your premium CBD products at verloda.com, your online CBD store in San Antonio, and get them delivered right to your door. Verloda. Rethink health.